The Prophet of Islam enacted a law that no tree or agricultural land should be harmed during or after a war. This shows the importance given to the environment in Islam. Green Islam of Indonesia is aimed at waking up the world to rapid environmental changes. Adab. You're watching Awaz the Voice and I'm Amina Majid. Indonesia, the country with the largest population of Muslims in the world, is also facing a climate crisis due to global warming. In a country with a population of 27 million, religion is seen as a source of hope to deal with environmental changes. Indonesia started the Green Islam movement in 2022 when a group of Muslims tried to create awareness about environmental changes on social media. Today, it has become a formal movement headed by Imam Nasaruddin Umar of Masjid Istiqlal. Three forces are mentioned in the context of this green movement. The first one is Indonesia, the country with the largest Muslim population in the world. The second is the Istiqlal Mosque, which is the largest and most modern mosque in Jakarta, while the third is Grand Imam of the grandiose mosque, Nasaruddin Umar. Imam Nasaruddin Umar is leading the movement by using religious texts to invoke people's interest and participating in checking pollution of the air, water, soil, and mitigation the impact of global warming. He tells Muslims to protect the earth as religiously as they do fast during the month of Ramadan. Imam Nasaruddin Umar is leading the people towards environmental duty on a religious basis, as he considers 1/4 of the world's Muslim population to be the most important for the environment. They say that they are merely following the instructions of the Prophet of Islam that Muslims should take care of nature. Imam Nasaruddin Umar launched his campaign at that time when the river on the side of the mosque had turned into the garbage dump. He started by engaging people in cleaning it. During this phase, Istiqlal Masjid was equipped with solar panels and a water recycling system. These changes earned this mosque the honor of Green Building from the World Bank. It became the first religious place to receive the honor. Supporters of the Green Islam movement say that change can be brought about by educating 20 million Muslims.